2006 9.3. The Saab 9.3 has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is powerful and smooth. Expect 23 miles per gallon overall on the sedan using regular fuel. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, cruise control, FWD, rear window defroster, intermittent wipers, cargo area light, emergency trunk release, power mirrors, vanity mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.